kasama din sa Wednesday, yung hindi natin na-present last time, the BIR, no? Which will be presenting the income tax returns of VP and husband, and also the Securities and Exchange Commission, which will be presenting naman the GIS and the general information sheet and the audited financial statements of the declared business establishments of the spouses. No? So kung maalala nyo, yung first hearing natin, April 14, ang naging focus natin is confidential fund. As a matter of fact, that is one of the significant reason why Madriaga, I believe, was presented as well. Kasi may allegation siya doon about the delivery of confidential fund. But this time around, on Wednesday, ang focus natin is the allegation of unexplained wealth and non-disclosure in SALN. Reason being, nandyan si Ombudsman, si AMLC, SEC, BIR, and former Senator Sani Trillanes. No?
Opo. Ma'am, yung mga nabanggit po ninyo are public documents pero wala bang data privacy issues na that will limit the discussion of the committee?
Well, this will be the first time that we will be hearing from these agencies. No? So if ever there are limitations on the part of the agency with respect dun sa issue ng confidentiality in disclosing them to the public, notwithstanding the fact na public documents ito, we anticipate also na mabe-ventilate yan during our hearing on Wednesday, no? So, meron nang na-advance ang BIR about a similar issue on limitations of disclosing the ITR, but we haven't heard actually fully this concern of the BIR. So, tingnan natin on Wednesday what will be the position of the BIR. There is a prayer for temporary restraining order specifically to stop the Bureau of Internal Revenue to submit the required ITR, subject matter of the subpoena duces tecum, no? But since it has been submitted already during the last hearing, that was April 14, that is the reason why I said the issue of issuance of TRO is already moot and academic.
Opo. Pero wala po ba dun sa petition kung na hinihingi sa court na ipagbawal na i-discuss sa committee, not just the submission?
I am not very much certain to what extent is the prayer of the petitioner, no? But at least with respect doon sa prohibition to submit, the same has been rendered moot and academic already because the BIR already submitted the same or the question documents as early as during our last hearing, April 14.